Welcome to Las Vegas,
We're here at the NABSHOW 2017.
the biggest expo for broadcast and media content.
It's the show where all the latest creative developments are on display.
Hi, I'm Ashley Blankenship with InBroadcast. Joining me is Scott from TELESTREAM. Hello.
Hi, Ashley. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thanks for coming by.
Sure, thank you for having me. So, what are the new acquisitions with InSight that we're hearing all about?
So, InSight is a company that does quality of service and quality of assurance monitoring within the streaming ecosystem. So everybody knows that streaming is exploding. I mean, there are billions and billions of videos that are consumed every day on Facebook Live or YouTube Live apps themselves, or live streaming is also just absolutely exploding with millions of people consuming content. The problem with live streaming is that most people are used to having a really great quality assurance, a great experience. So when they're watching television, you can't have dropouts or buffering or anything like that. It's not the same on the public internet. So if you're watching a movie, you may have problems. And if you are watching the Super Bowl or some other major sporting event, you cannot afford to have, as a broadcaster, have this content buffering or dropping out or causing problems. So this is where InSight comes in, because InSight provides a quality of service monitoring. So if you're watching in Miami area, watching the Super Bowl, and all of a sudden things break down and you don't get the video, well, you know what? InSight software will allow you to figure out where that failure is occurring, so you can send out technicians in your telco environment to be able to go fix those problems, identify them.
So then what is the live streaming strategy?
So live streaming is exploding. So we in TeleStream have been in the production, the content creation side of the business for our customers. Now we're moving into the distribution side with the streaming ecosystem, because everybody needs to be streaming content. It's everywhere. And so it makes sense for us in the business to be able to move from production and content creation to be able to service the customers that are actually going to be taking this content and putting it out on the air into the streaming ecosystem. So streaming becomes a super important strategy for TeleStream to be there. I mean, think of the name, TeleStream.
Right.
It's really a natural for us to be there.
So now then how does InSight fit into the live streaming strategy?
So in the live streaming strategy, you know, somebody will put out content, and InSight does that monitoring of the content throughout the chain, because it's super complicated. Streaming goes from your broadcast facility to an origin server, to a CDN or multiple CDNs, to edge devices, to your iPad or my phone to be able to consume the content. And a lot can go wrong along those whole value chains within the streaming ecosystem. So the InSight systems allow you to monitor all the different points throughout the streaming network. So that's the value proposition, is for the broadcaster to verify that the content's actually getting there, but also for the telco operator to ensure that, yep, I can guarantee you really great quality as you invest in our streaming ecosystem.
Very important. So for people that want to know more about this and other things that TeleStream is doing, what's the website?
It's www.telestream.net, and we've got our Vantage products, which are file-based products for creating multiple versions of files for on-demand, but also live streaming solutions with Lightspeed Live Stream, and our Wirecast product, which is just crushing it right now. Everybody's using Wirecast to be able to stream online to Facebook Live and YouTube Live and Periscope, Twitter, and these streaming ecosystems.
Very nice. Well, everyone be sure to check out their websites for all the information. Thank you so much, Scott.
You're welcome, Ashley. Have a nice day.
Thank you.